Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Based Dish. This is your fellow competitor speaking. Welcome back to another episode of the Napoleon Macro Show. I'm your host. Today we'll be exploring the Beyond Meat stock, as a lot of you may be in profits if you took the last video that we made a post on into consideration, but not financial advice. Yeah, you're in profits right now. So it's okay to take profits when you're in profits. But I'm just going to explain to you the story behind what I'm seeing and what needs to take place next, because the buyers are not out of not of hot water just yet. So I'll explain it by looking at buyers and sellers only. So let's get into it, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. New subscribers, welcome in. Let's dive into the charts, shall we? So today's October the 20th, 2021, and the current price of Beyond Meat is going to be $108.24, slightly positive 0.7% for the day. Okay. All right. BYND is the instrument, by the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get in here. Let's pull up the charts. Let's take a look at the daily candles. So this is just a continuation of the story that we've been covering if you're new. What we're looking at is just buyers and sellers, okay, as they're having kind of a tug of war between the two. So far, the sellers do have a pretty unique setup here, as they've been making lower highs ever since $157 in like June the 28th, 2021. Been walking down the stairs, new low, up, lower high, new low, double top, new low, lower high, new low. You see what I mean? So it's been walking down the stairs. So right now, if you see the $104.41 and $105.37, basically if the algos can actually support the market here, which is where they stepped in this little clustered area as they supported the price. If they're actually going to do this, then this little small consolidation phase that they're doing just above this range, now they must use this as kind of a launch pad. And now they need to break above the previous swing high, because if they start to show any signs of weakness, the sellers are going to continue to make new lows and push the price down and break it below $101. But again, I think we've identified some algorithmic behavior near this current levels down here. So this is why we are interested in riding the financial boost here in the short term. The conservative $110, it came really close, that we were saying by the end of this week we should see $110 as long as it stays above this small range here, okay? Then we should see a conservative price tag of about 110. It was like pennies away, so I'd say that's an accurate call for now. But we did say that we should see a push up to $121. Do I still think that can happen? Yes, but guys, you have to expect volatility. I don't think it's going to be a straight shot, even though it might be a straight shot. What are you going to look for? Really simple. Let's close out the video. Really simple. If the market starts to have some sort of downward pressure, which I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not, I'm open. I'm always open to that happening, even if it goes to zero. I'm always open to any stock going to zero, even Beyond Meat. Okay, you should be as well. Okay, just to prepare yourself. This range right here, if it can, if it doesn't even get close to it, that's fine. It needs to take out the swing high right here, $114. So we can get a nice financial boost. I'm going to say it's probably in the best interest for it to happen over the next 2 market days, because if you notice, the price action is just kind of consolidating in this little circle right here. So it can't stay here forever. Excuse me. If the sellers can't get the price below that little range you see there, and the buyers, they have to at least make a break for it, at least make an attempt, even if they don't make it above the previous swing high and they just kind of start stalling just below that level, like 113, 114, that's fine. But they need to make a move, the buyers, that is. They need to make a move out of this small little circle and, make an attempt to see if they have enough strength, the algos have enough strength to make a new high, higher than the previous swing high, to see if we can get the ball rolling here, all right? But until then, I'm going to say that the buyers are at least going to make an attempt to push up to and possibly through $113, $114 within the next 2 market days, not including today. So let's give it a good until October the 22nd, 2021. Okay, please, guys, have a strategy. Don't say Napoleon said it's going to 114. I'm about to put 10 grand on contracts. Don't do that, guys. Please, please. All right, I'm just letting you know the story behind what needs to take place in order for the buyers, the algos, whoever's doing this, to show financial strength here in the short term. Okay, remember, I specialize in the story. I have no clue. And I eat the products here. I think this is the Beyond Meat. Yes, I partake in their products, so I do know what this is, right? That's rare for those who follow me closely. I normally don't know what the stocks are. But yeah, this is, I guess, a company that has no meat products, but it's pretty good stuff. All right, so enough of that. Yeah, let's give it like 2 market days. All right, so October the 22nd, we should see a financial boost / attempt to break through $114. If it breaks through, that's showing a sign of strength, okay? And 121 is still the, our price target here in the short term. Up to 4 weeks, I think we gave it, including this week, all right? That's all I have for this video. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are executing your strategies as you are in profit if you bought in those contracts again, guys. So remember, when the profit taking is good, don't be shy. All right? And that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So if you don't mind, can you support the channel by leaving an appropriate thumb before you leave there? Just below the video if you enjoyed the content or if you're in profits right now. And also, if you're new, we explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I truly appreciate your time. Remember to execute your strategies, as we always say. All right, keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys.